Car shopping can feel pretty overwhelming. I mean, which one do I get? Why are there so many numbers? Where do I start? Ah! So one day we had a crazy idea. What if buying a car was easy? What if we let shoppers pick their own monthly payments, and all that math just happened automatically? What if you could save and compare vehicles, so you could quickly find the best deal for you? And then check out completely online in 3 quick steps. Just like that. And if you ever want to talk to an expert, our friendly team would always be there to help, online or in store. It's a crazy idea we call Online Shopper, because it's for you. So go ahead, get started. Try car shopping when you're in the driver's seat. It's kind of the best.